How to see retakes on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see retakes on your BeReal app. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the BeReal application, to make sure that this feature is working, let's first visit the App Store or your respective App Store for your phone and search for BeReal and go to the app page. So what we're going to do here is to check if our app is up to date. So to do that, let's focus on this button right here. If it shows an open option, that means that your BeReal is currently up to date. However, if it shows to update your app, that means that your BeReal is currently outdated, so you have to update it so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to see retakes. So once you have made sure that your app is up to date, let's just go ahead and open it. And to see the number of retakes, you can just actually click on your BeReal post right here under the My Friends tab. This three-dotted icon right here. And aside from the comments and real emojis, you can also see the number of retakes you can see from here. So for my side, it is currently locked because I just created my account. So once I click on this one, it says it should show the number of times you have retook the BeReal. So since it is still locked on mine, it says to add 10 more friends to discover it. So if it is still locked on yours as well, you should just go ahead and add 10 more friends so that this feature will be unlocked and you'll be able to see retakes on your BeReal, since once you post a BeReal, you can retake it as many times as you like during the 2-minute countdown. So there is data on how many retakes you did when taking this BeReal post. So that is how you can basically see retakes on BeReal. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.